Well, about brand new microwave. You need things like a nice knife to open this box, which I will do now. And what I need to do here, taped it here. Somebody knew this stuff will do that. I can see that. Keep company do that. That's good. Good for companies to do that. A lot of companies don't do shit like that. They just do it like that, not that. They don't. Good. Done. Now let's see. This is a Staten microwave. Okay. Now I got it. Okay, we got some packing foam, of course. Then the microwave is in this box. Packing foam. Big bag. That's probably owner's manual might be here somewhere in here. Remember the owner's manual. These are most important. Nice plastic bag here. That's nice. A garbage bag. Thank you for a nice, beautiful bag. I can use that for a garbage bag later. Anyways. Now. Okay. I see. Pretty easy to do. Pretty damn easy to do. I'm gonna have to tip this box upside down, I guess. Gonna do this, tip the box. Might be a little easier here. These two dinner tricks I learned how to do a box packing.